Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Saka Maria, and in this video I'll be guiding you through on how you can sign and attach a passport photograph on PDF. People send me a message, I received this, I need to do this. Do I have to send and print it out, sign it, then send back to you? You don't have to do all that. Okay, you can easily do this online. So once you have the PDF, the document on your phone or on your system, it's still the same process is going to work. Okay, so before we go into that, please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. Please, it will help me to reach more. It will encourage me. If you like this video, it means you are telling YouTube that this video is good, you find it useful, and you'll be able to push it more for more people to see. And also don't forget to leave me a comment if there's anything you like me to work on, to record a video on, to teach. Feel free to drop it. I'm going to record a video on that. Okay, I believe you will do that for me. So yeah, let's go into it. So you're going to go to your Chrome browser and type in we are using ilovepdf.com. Yes, ilovepdf.com. You will also love it. This platform is really amazing. There are so many things you can do on this platform. Okay, as you can see, you can merge PDF. If you have different PDF folder that you want to combine into one, you can merge it together. You can split, you can compress, you can convert to Word. You can do so many things, as you can see. But for today, I'm going to come to edit PDF. We are using edit PDF, so I'm going to click on select PDF file. Select PDF file, then you're going to attach the PDF that you want to work on. I mean, the one you want to sign, and the one you want to attach your passport to. So this is the one I will be working with. I titled it let's see what we have here. You see, video guide on how to sign and attach a PDF passport on PDF. So, and I wrote a letter to you. Dear viewers, I trust you're doing well. I sincerely want to appreciate you all subscribers. Without you, we wouldn't be celebrating 1,000 subscribers. You are here. Welcome to the channel. If you are new here, we make things happen, teaching ourselves digital skills that will be helpful either at your place of work or in your personal business. So please like this video, as this will help you to promote it further. Also subscribe if you haven't. Leave a comment if you find this video helpful, and feel free to let me know what you would like me to teach next. I'll create time to record a video on it. Okay, thank you. So let's assume this is the letter you received. This is the PDF that you want to work on. So what are you supposed to do? Now this is your PDF. Okay, so where you are coming to is first, we are going to, this place is for passports, right? I just create that in folder. To desktop view, just come to these three dots here. Okay, then you come here, desktop site. You see, so it's on desktop size now. So we click on select PDF file, then you click on, I'm going to click on media. I'll come to this week. Just make sure you upload that PDF you're trying to work on. Good. So this is what it looks like in desktop view. It means if you are using your laptop, this is how the interface will look like. So the first thing you want to do is to upload your passport. And how do you do that? Look at this. Beside this this image here, you click on it, add image. As you can see, you click on add image, then you pick the pictures that you want to, that is a passport photograph, right? So you pick the one you want to work on. Okay, let me come to camera. You can see any of my picture, if at all. Over here. Okay, let me use this for practical, right? So let's say this is my passport photograph I want to use. So you are just to zoom it. You see, just you can drag it big, small, zoom it and put it here. You can resize it very well to fill in the space. Remember, this is just a test run, right? Let me reduce it so it doesn't cover my text. Okay, so this is it. So you can still work on it better, adjust it, whatever things you want to do. So the next thing you want to do is to sign. There are two ways that you can sign. Is either you've already signed on a plain paper, snap it and attach it as a picture, just the same way you attach it over here, you attach it and bring it here, or you use this icon here beside the image is for you to draw. So you can use this to draw, and you can give it a color. So let's click on it. You see this black here, you can change it to red if you want to sign in red, or you can change it to blue. No, so this is okay now. For pt, this pt means how you want it to be thick, how thick you want it. So let's say 9. Sorry, so I can make a signature you want it to be. Okay, once you are done drawing, let's say this is your drawing, you are done, you come to this mark, apply drawing. You see? So it means this is my signature. You can zoom it, bring it over here. Sorry, just make it like this. Yeah, then you can drag it over here where I have signature. Okay, another thing you can do, you can still change the color to red, to black. Can you see it has changed to black? You can increase this, so let's even increase it to 29. Can you see it's more thicker? So how you want it to be, the thicker it is, the more this pt will increase. Okay, so the stroke, so we don't really need that. So you can change this to blue or black. So just make your signature, and then no, this one, I don't think there's a biro like that color, so I will leave it at blue. Okay, so once you are done attaching your picture, don't forget the other way you can do is to attach it, sign on a paper, attach it and bring it here. You can remove the background, bring it in. So once you are done, we are done signing, we are done attaching our picture, the next thing to do is to download. Okay, so the next thing is to do, if you want to remove, these are the things we work on: the signature, the upload. So the next thing to do is to come to this edit pdf. Okay, so you click on this edit pdf. You see this task has been processed successfully, download pdf. So I'm going to click on download pdf. So once you are done downloading the pdf, you can go to your gallery. So it has even downloaded itself. So I'll just open it now with my maybe wps office. Let's check it out. Let's check what we did out. You see, our passport and our signature is there. Is as simple as that. Is as simple as this. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video, so that I can know that it's really helpful and you want more of this video. Okay, thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video.